What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Corey J from Corey J's Boutique, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I dyed this beautiful, wig for my Vegas trip. It is my 22nd birthday, and I'm going to Vegas on a girls trip. I'm going to be giving y'all some vlogs, some everything. So be prepared, honey. But for right now, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this blonde to look fabulous like this. And I'm going to tell y'all about my little new secret that I have as well. So if you're interested in watching, continue right now.
So here's my wig from Corey J's Boutique. I'm going to show y'all the first step to getting this color. Basically what I did is I toned the hair with blue shampoo to begin, just so that once I put the toner on it, that the color wouldn't be altered because of how high yellow the wig comes. So I wanted to tone it to a more neutral color so that my Wella toner would come out the way that I needed it to come out. So hopefully you guys can tell the difference. To begin with, that hair was very yellow, and now you can see it's more of a neutral 613 blonde. So here are the colors. I will be using T28 in Wella toner for my ends, and for my roots I will be using T35. T35 was, I believe, pale beige blonde, and then T28 was a neutral blonde. I didn't show you all how I mixed the toner, but I do have a detailed video on my channel on how to tone hair. So if you don't know how to mix it, just make sure you check out that video, and I'll put the link below. But here I'm showing you how I start in at the roots, going back across the whole full lace wig. And I'm going in with the T35 pale beige blonde first, because I want this blonde look to be very light but very soft and bronze, but at the same time have some light and dimension to it. And so that's why I'm gonna do two slightly different colors, one being more on the brown side for my roots so that it can blend seamlessly with my skin and make me glow, and then the other being a more neutral, silver undertone blonde, so it can lighten it up and give me an actual like blonde look. One tip I do want to give: just make sure that y'all do a paper towel test before putting the color on the hair, because how it looks now is nothing how it turned out, and I know that could be scary. It looks like it's going to be purple, but it's actually turned a really nice beige blonde. Also, if you're dyeing 613 hair especially, you're still going to have to figure out how to color those knots under there so that they're not white. And I did use a lace tint on mine that I have created and will be selling. So if you're interested in purchasing the lace tint, please let me know. I wasn't able to record that part, but I have created a lace tint, and it will be for sale. So here are the finished results of the roots. You can see that it's actually starting to turn that brown color. And then I left this middle part white because I wanted to make sure that my hair looked very bright. So I left that exactly how it was. And then I went in with the T28 toner, which is the neutral blonde color, and I just did the ends very nicely. Literally this took no time. So I just want y'all to know it's definitely achievable, and it'll come out beautifully if you just follow these few steps, and just make sure you mix correctly and apply thoroughly. So I just want to show y'all how well my lace tinted this lace. It looks just like my scalp. There's no white bumps, and the lace has actually become more brown and allows you to visualize my scalp and not have white pieces at the root of my hair, which is very ugly. So when our lace tint becomes available to the public, make sure you get you some, girl. And here are the finished results. So this is how the hair turned out. I'm so satisfied. It's very beautiful. I saw a picture, I had an idea, I wanted to create something, and I did it, and so can y'all. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you really like this video. Subscribe,